Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. One other important website for online skill development website for your skill development courses is FUTURELEARN. This is also providing free of cost courses and totally free, and you can also avail these courses in your home. This FUTURELEARN website was founded in 2012, and it is in the ownership of Open University based in America. Before proceeding further in this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification for every new video. You can write here FUTURELEARN in Google. Press enter. Click on first one of the websites. This is FUTURELEARN website, futurelearn.com. Start learning now. Click on it. You can see that these courses are certified from different kinds of international universities: King College London, UCL, University of Leeds, University of Glasgow, and many more. Going forward, to see your courses, start learning now. Here you can click on subject. Different kind of subjects are available. You can click on courses. You can see there are different courses available here. Short courses, expert tricks, micro credentials, online degrees. Online degrees are also available here. And if you click on any subject, for example, I am clicking on IT, computer science. You can see that in IT there are bundle of courses. When you click on view all IT computer science courses, you can see the whole list. I am clicking on one here, robotics, big data and analytics. I am clicking here, machine learning. When you click on a specific course, for example, I am clicking on here. The list of courses is now opened in front of me. I can choose any one of my course. When you click on this is the digital skills, artificial intelligence, find out. Click on it. When you click on this course, and here click join now. Before join now, you can see details. Here are details. It's a course of 3 weeks and 2 hours weekly study, and 100% online. You can avail this course. Digital upgrade free. All the requirements you can see here: syllabus, accreditation, and start of classes, requirements. Everything you can check out here in this section. And when you click on any course, and after clicking on join now, you can enter your details and register yourself for free course. In this way you can upgrade your skills. You can make your skill development very faster. You can improve your skills, and finally you can avail these courses, breaking the barriers of long traveling, and you can avoid expenses too much expenses which are not affordable for everyone. So register yourself here, register yourself here, and you can learn everything without any cost. Thank you so much for watching this video.